Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 28, lesson 3, exercises. Here we have practice with the active first, second, third, it's the first, second, third, and fourth conjugation imperfect, active, subjunctive, and then we have the passive subjunctive here, imperfect, and also the imperfect subjunctive of sum, SM, esses, esset, essemus, essetis, essent. So read along here. Mater filiam monuit ut caveret ne influium caderet ac mergeretur, nec opposerat monera filios ut caverent ne influium caderent et mergerentur. So it says, the mother warned her daughter to be careful, lest she fall into the river and be drowned. So here we have the ut clause after the verb of warning, warning them to do something, and let she not, and here's the that she be careful not to, okay, this is the negative form of the command, that she not fall into the river. So we have the imperfect subjunctive here because we have a past tense verb, and mergeretur again, the imperfect, but now the passive, the imperfect passive subjunctive with the atur ending, which we see right down here, eretur. Okay, and not, it was not necessary, nec opposerat, to warn the sons to be careful that they not fall into the river and be drowned. So read through and translate the rest of that section. Let's do the example here. We have Medus, who says, my master was demanding from me that I always be hardworking. And so here we want the imperfect subjunctive form, because postulabat is imperfect. And so in the ut clause, we want essem, which you see right over here on the chart. I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, ye were, they were. Go ahead and try the rest of those. Let's go on to exercise number 8. Exercitium octavum, we have the final subjunctive, which is after ut and ne clauses. It's also called, more often called, the purpose. It says that, and we translate it as to do something. For example, quare medus Romam venit, why does Medus come to Rome? He comes to Rome to see his girlfriend. So he comes in order to, so it's a purpose, for the purpose of seeing his girlfriend. And quia amicum suam videra vult, because he wants to see his girlfriend. So why does Medus flee? Medus flees so that he not be a servant. Those are the present tense subjunctives here, you see, and then here we have examples of the past. Why did Medus come to Rome? He came to Rome, and notice that we have venit instead of wenit. Wenit comes, venit came. He came to Rome so that he could see his girlfriend. Now we have the imperfect subjunctive after that. So read through the rest of that. Let's try our first example. Magister calamum promit. The teacher takes out his pen in order to write. So we want the purpose. The purpose clause here, starting with ut, so that he could write. And here we want the present tense, not the imperfect subjunctive, which would be scriberet, but scribat, so that he could write. Now let's look at. We're going to go past exercise 9 and jump to exercise 10. Do exercise 9 on your own. And here we have, whom does the helmsman think has the power of the sea? And we know that the helmsman thinks that it's Neptune. So gubernator Neptunum deum potestatum maris habera putat. He thinks that Neptune, the god Neptune, has that power. Bene. And next one, Jam ne navis extra periculum est. Now is the ship out of danger? Well, navis extra periculum non est, said multa pericula imminent. Many dangers hang over them. And here you use the form impendent.